Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play Dress to Impress Style Showdown and tips to win. Okay, first of all, I'm going to go to the Style Showdown server, and tips for me is joining the game with just 6 players because it will be easier to win. But unfortunately, here are already 10 players, but no worries because I want to give you the tips to win the style showdown. Okay, and then we're waiting for all players, and then I'm just going to skip this tab to make the process faster. Okay, just skip. Okay, to win the style showdown, guys, I recommend you to increase your walking speed so it will be easier for you to dress up. But if you don't have the walking speed, no worries because you can still win. Okay, the first one, start with color selection. I recommend you to choose the general color for every theme. And then for the makeup, I'm just going to use the general makeup as well because maybe in the next game we won't have time to change the makeup. So I can use it for any theme. And then move to the hairstyle. I'm going to choose the general style as well. But actually we can choose any style because in the next game usually the hair is removed, so we need to choose new hairstyle. But it's just in case if the hair is not removed, I'm just going to use the general hair so I can use it for any theme that we get here. Okay, and it's time to dress up. The time is spring break, and make sure you dress up according to the theme, and you can dress up as creative as you can to make them impressed so they will vote you. Okay, here I'm just going to use this dress according to the theme. Okay, I'm going to use the colorful dress, and I'm going to wear this hat as well, and I'm going to change the color to pink. Oops, sorry, I think I wear item that I don't want to. Okay, now it has been removed, and I'm going to change the color. Okay, I'm going to make it pink like this. And then I'm going to use accessories from here. I'm going to use this bag. Okay, I think it's suitable for the spring theme. Okay, unfortunately the time is over and now it's time to vote. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for me. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.